Hi everyone, welcome to this Excel tutorial where I will show you how to use AutoFill and Flash Fill to save time when entering data. These features help you quickly fill in numbers, dates, text patterns and more automatically without doing it manually. By the end of this video, you will an expert in using these smart Excel tools. But before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest updates. And by the end of the video, don't forget to hit the like button. First of all, let me to tell you what is autofill. Autofill is a feature that allows you to quickly copy, extend a series of numbers, dates, or patterns in Excel by dragging the fill handle. For example, if you want to use autofill for number sequence, type 1 in the first cell and 2 in the next cell. Select both cells, move the cursor to the bottom right corner and drag the fill handle down. Excel will continue the sequence automatically. Similarly, using autofill for dates, type a starting date like this in a cell, drag the fill handle down, Excel will automatically continue the date sequence. We can also use autofill for custom lists like months, days, etc. Type Monday in a cell, drag the fill handle down, Excel will continue filling automatically. Same for filling the list of months. We can also drag the fill handle to left or right side of the cell to fill the data like this. Now we discuss what is Flash Fill. Flash Fill is an AI-based tool in Excel that automatically fills in values based on patterns without formulas. It's great for splitting names, formatting phone numbers and more. To enable Flash Fill, if disabled, click on File option, go to Advanced, scroll down to Editing options, make sure automatically Flash Fill is checked. Now, for using Flash Fill to split data, let's say you have a list of full names and you want to separate them into first name and last name. For example, in first column, you have full names like this. Now, in next column, type only the first name of the first entry, press enter and go to the next cell, start typing the second name. Now, use the shortcut control key, control plus E to flash fill and cells. Flash Fill can also format phone numbers automatically. For example, you have phone numbers in the column like this. In next column, type the number in this pattern. Now, Excel will detect the pattern and suggest filling the rest of the values. Press Ctrl plus E. The values will be automatically filled in the next column. Similarly, using Flash Fill for email creation, let's say you have names and want to create email addresses automatically. For example, in this column, you have names. Now, in the next column, type the first email using this pattern. Excel will detect this pattern. Now, press Ctrl plus E and Flash Fill will generate emails for all rows. And that's it. And now you know how to use autofill and flash fill in Excel to save time when working with large amounts of data. If you have any questions about the entire process, please leave a comment below. If this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.